to Key West. Woo! It's about a 2.5-hour drive from our hotel in Miami to our hotel in Key West. We're going to spend a day at the beach today. We're going to Dry Tortugas National Park tomorrow, and then we have a full day in Key West on Wednesday. So we're very excited. We're also very excited for this drive. It's supposed to be very scenic, so we'll try to share some of the clips along the way. We're just about to cross into Key Largo. Almost to the 7 Mile Bridge. We are officially in Key West and walking out onto Smathers Beach. Life is pretty great. So this is the infamous Smathers Beach. There is a ton of seaweed in the water, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna go swimming right now. But the water is a beautiful color. We're so excited to be here.
So we finally made it to Smathers Beach in Key West.
Woohoo!
The weather is absolutely amazing.
It's perfect.
Little breeze. The water's got some seaweed in it, but other than that, it is absolutely amazing. So we're just gonna relax, get some sun. In my case, more sunburn. And see you in a little bit.
Things you don't expect to see on the beach in Key West. Cops riding horses. Going for a walk on the beach. Doesn't get much better than this. Dinner at Bistro 245. Lobster quesadillas for me. And seared tuna for Gary. I got the 245 mixed grill dinner entree.
I got the truffle crusted grouper with lobster hash.
Yum. Sunset from Mallory Square in Key West. Along with everyone else in the world. The southernmost point of Key West. We're actually here before sunrise because our boat to Dry Tortugas leaves at 7 a.m. But the perk of being here early is we don't have to wait online to get our picture taken here. So this is pretty cool. Guys are all over the island. It's about 7:30 a.m. We're boarding the Yankee Freedom, which will take us to Dry Tortugas National Park. Here we go. It is pouring right now. We're hoping that it stops by the time we get to the island. Fingers crossed. We're almost there. We are officially at Dry Tortugas National Park. It was a 2.5-hour boat ride to get here, so we're pretty happy to be here now. So most of the island is made up of Fort Jefferson. It is surrounded by a moat, so we are gonna check that out first. We are currently walking on the moat wall right now, and it's pretty incredible to see the difference in the color water. This is amazing. This is one of the least visited national parks, but I can kind of understand why, because you either have to drive or fly to Key West, and then you have to take the boat, which is a 2.5-hour ride to the island. Or if you have some extra cash, you could take a seaplane, but it was like crazy. It was, I think, $800, but it does shorten the travel time to the island. But this is stunning.
So this is number 33, Dry Tortugas National Park in Key West, Florida. Very little room for error on this one.
I'm not sure if you could see it on the GoPro, but there are thousands of fish in the water. Wow! We're heading inside Fort Jefferson. Explore on our own, but they actually send send you a PDF file so you can kind of do your own self-guided tour. It gives you a lot of historical information about the fort and the surrounding areas. So it's definitely up to you what you decide to do, but we decided to avoid the hordes of people, which you probably can't see, and just enjoy some alone time and soak up all this scenery. We walked around the fort and we're checking out the moat from the other side. I think this might be our favorite part of the park so far. Another cool thing that you can do here is you can go snorkeling. Definitely something you can't do at most national parks, but this is a beautiful place to do so. So the moat is actually broken in two sections, here and then right up there.
Parkour.
I'm pretty sure I could parkour my way over to this side. Another perk about Dry Tortugas National Park is the beaches. Actually, the best beaches in Key West are on Dry Tortugas. So I believe there are 4 beaches here and they are absolutely stunning. We just walked across the island to check out one of the other beaches. The color of this water is magical. Check out these purple things that washed up. So cool. Made it back to the boat. Time for some much earned drinks. Bye bye, Dry Tortugas. Waterfront Brewery in Key West, and this is our view from dinner. Not too shabby. For drinks, Gary got the passion fruit shandy and I got key lime pie beer. Both are fantastic. For our appetizers, I got the scallops and Gary got the seafood ceviche. Both look delicious. Alright, time for entrees. I got the shrimp and scallop risotto, and Gary got a skirt steak. Let's dig in. The best part is we get a sunset view from dinner again. So it's Wednesday morning, March 9th. I'm not gonna lie, this is the day I've been most excited about for this trip. We have absolutely nothing planned, so we can be beach bums today and just soak up the amazing scenery of Key West. As most of you guys know, most of our trips are pretty jam-packed. It's wake up really early, hike all day till we pass out, wake up and repeat. But today we have zero plans. We're just gonna hang out at Smathers Beach. We're here around 9 a.m. We have the beach to ourselves pretty much, and we're ready for an awesome day.
Here I am, marveling at how amazing she is and kind of rooting for a wave at the same time.
Fun fact about Key West for you guys, most of the sand was actually shipped here from the Caribbean, so that is one of the many reasons why Key West is so gorgeous. I thought that was pretty cool.
This may come as a shock to you, but we're relaxing.
We're actually sitting still for once.
We've been on the beach for close to an hour and a half now and haven't done anything.
Look at us go!
Except for a photo shoot. It took a half an hour.
We had to do a couple handstands, you know.
But this is just absolutely amazing. We're loving Key West. So we're gonna go relax now.
So it's our last night in Key West, unfortunately, and we are at Shore American Seafood Grill. We're hoping to catch a nice view of sunset and enjoy some awesome food. Appetizers are out. I got the grilled octopus and Gary got the oysters and blackened shrimp. All right, entrees are out. I got the shrimp and scallop risotto and Gary got the Goober special. Last but not least, we both got a slice of key lime pie because we're in Key West, so why not? Sunset view from dinner. Can't take this guy anywhere. Unfortunately, our time here in Key West has come to an end. We are currently driving to Miami and we are about to catch a flight to New Orleans. Tomorrow we are headed to Baton Rouge to see the Utah versus LSU gymnastics competition. Thank you guys for tagging along on this adventure. We absolutely loved it here in Key West and would love to come back here one day because it is so beautiful. We will see you guys on the next adventure.